Greetings, Salesforce Trailblazers. Welcome to Lightning Harmony by Careerya, the podcast where we explore the symphony of Salesforce Lightning, from the dynamic Lightning app builder to the personalized allure of custom homepages, app homepages, custom record pages, and the enchanting world of Lightning components. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're embarking on a journey through the key elements of Salesforce Lightning. Get ready for real-world examples, a quiz to test your Lightning knowledge, interview insights, and answers to commonly asked questions. Podcast episode, Mastering Salesforce Lightning, a symphony of app builder, custom pages, and components. Let's commence our exploration by unraveling the design brilliance of the Lightning App Builder. Segment 1, Design Brilliance, Lightning App Builder. The Lightning App Builder is like a maestro's wand, allowing users to compose custom apps without code. It's a canvas where you shape the user interface to harmonize with your unique needs. Example 1. Imagine you're a service manager. With the Lightning App Builder, you can create a tailored service console, bringing together case details, knowledge articles, and customer interactions in a seamless composition. Next. Now, let's delve into the personalized melodies of custom homepages and app homepages. Segment 2. Personalized melodies, custom homepages, and app homepages. Custom homepages and app homepages are the overture to a user's Salesforce experience, providing a personalized entrance into the world of data and insights. Example 2. Consider a sales executive. A custom homepage might showcase key opportunities and performance metrics, while an app homepage could be a gateway to specialized tools for closing deals. Next. Moving on, let's explore the symphonic possibilities of custom record pages. Segment 3, Symphonic Tailoring, Custom Record Pages. Custom record pages allow you to compose a unique score for each record, orchestrating the layout and components to suit the needs of your users. Example 3. Picture managing leads. A custom record page can spotlight essential details like lead source, contact information, and lead status, creating a harmonious workflow for your team. Next. Now, let's discover the harmonies of Lightning components. Segment 4, Harmonizing Elements, Lightning Components. Lightning components are the musical notes that add depth and dynamics to your Lightning pages. Whether standard, custom, or third-party, they bring versatility and creativity to your Salesforce composition. Example 4. Imagine enhancing a campaign management page. A custom Lightning component could integrate social media feeds, providing real-time insights and engagement data in a harmonious display. Next. Now, let's challenge your Lightning expertise with a resonant quiz. Quiz, test your Lightning resonance. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of the Lightning App Builder? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. The Lightning App Builder allows users to create customized apps without code, shaping the user interface based on specific needs. Question 2. How do custom homepages contribute to a personalized Salesforce experience? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. Custom homepages provide users with a personalized landing space, displaying relevant information for quick insights. Next. Excellent job. Now, let's tune into some common interview questions. Interview insights, Lightning questions in the spotlight. Question 3. Can you explain the difference between a Lightning component and a Visualforce component? Answer 3. Lightning components are designed for the Lightning experience, offering a dynamic and responsive user interface, while Visualforce components are used in Salesforce Classic and provide a more static experience. Question 4. How can you ensure a consistent user experience across different devices when using the Lightning App Builder? Answer 4. The Lightning App Builder automatically ensures a responsive design, adapting to different devices and screen sizes. However, it's essential to test and preview the app on various devices to ensure optimal user experience. Question 5. What are the key considerations when designing a custom record page for a frequently used object like opportunity? Answer 5. When designing a custom record page for opportunities, consider the key fields and related lists that your users interact with most frequently. Streamline the layout to provide a clear and efficient workflow. There you have it, a journey through the symphonic landscape of Salesforce Lightning. If you enjoyed this episode, hit the like button, share it with your fellow trailblazers, and subscribe to Careerya for more harmonious insights.